As a motorcycle safety instructor who's taught thousands of people how to ride motorcycles safely, one of the biggest problems I see beginner riders struggling with is shifting gears. Hey riders, Instructor Cory here. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into motorcycle shifting made simple. Whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your technique, these 3 key points will help you shift confidently and smoothly every time. Our first key point is clutch control. The clutch is your lifeline to smooth shifting. The secret lies in learning to release it gradually, not too fast, not too slow. As you ease off the clutch, focus on feeling that engagement point where the power starts flowing to the rear wheel. This smooth transition not only helps prevent jerky movements, but also prolongs the life of your bike's transmission. Spend some time in a safe, empty parking lot practicing this delicate balance until it becomes second nature. Now that we've started to develop some mastery over our clutch control, our second key point is all about understanding your bike's gear pattern and shift timing. Most motorcycles follow the same basic layout, usually one gear down and the rest up. Knowing your gear pattern inside out is crucial, but timing is just as important. Listen to your engine. Shifting too early can leave you struggling for speed, while shifting too late might put you at risk of over-revving. Aim for that sweet spot where the engine is singing just right. Mastering this will give you smoother acceleration and a more responsive ride. Good, so now that you've got an understanding of your gear pattern and timing, the third key point is throttle synchronization. Once you've released the clutch, the next step is to smoothly apply the throttle to match your new gear. When shifting up, a subtle, well-timed twist of the throttle helps you return to power without any lurches. When downshifting, a slight throttle blip can sync the engine speed with the wheel rotation, making the gear transition nearly seamless. This coordination between throttle and shift is what turns a good ride into a great one. To wrap it all up, remember these 3 key points for smooth motorcycle shifting. Number 1, clutch control. Easing the clutch lever out to feel that engagement point. Number 2, gear pattern and timing. Knowing your bike and shifting at just the right moment. Number 3, throttle synchronization, coordinating your throttle for seamless transitions. Keep these tips in mind, and with practice, shifting will become as natural as riding itself. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts or questions in the comments below. So now you've got some good tips to help you with your shifting, but what if you're still struggling with U-turns and figure eights on your motorcycle? Well, then watch this video next for some expert tips to help you improve your motorcycle U-turns and figure eights. Thanks for watching. Stay alert, ride safe, and I'll see you in the next one.